Hello developers, in this video we will discuss about function composition. So function composition is a technique to combine two or more functions. So let's discuss it with some basic example where we will take two simple functions, okay, and later we will compose them to create a new function. So firstly create two simple functions, creating function 1, function double x, return. So what this function is doing, it is doubling the number which is passed as a parameter. Like if it is 3, so 3 into 2, 6. Okay, so it is making it double. Similarly, we will create another function, increment, that will increment the number by 1, return x plus 1. Okay, so now we have two functions, one is double and another one is increment. So let's compose them to create a new function. Compose them, above functions, to create new function. Okay, so what that new function will be do, it will first doubles the number, then increment the result. Okay, this is called as function composition. So we are composing the function name is double and increment. Return increment double x. Now we will do console, double and increment 5. Is doing double and increment is called, this function is called, and 5 is passed here. Okay, so now it is returning increment double x. So the value of x is 5. So now this function is getting called. So it is returning 10. So now what it is returning, increment 10. Okay, so now increment 10. So what it is returning now, 10 plus 1, 11. Okay, so the output will be 11 in this case. Let's return it in the terminal. So output is 11. So what it is doing, double and increment, it is first call the function double, this one. Okay, and the result of this double function will comes here, and then it will work as an argument for increment function, and it will go here in increment function, and it will return the output of the whole code. So this is the concept of function composition in JavaScript.